Hi, this is Carlos with Integrated Manufacturing, and today I'm going to show you how to calibrate a Desoutter SLB inline tool. First, connect your controller and select the low speed for more accurate torque readings. Connect the tool to the controller by using the tool cable. Run down the tool on a calibration unit. Make sure that the max torque of the tool does not exceed the max capacity of the calibration unit. Note down the torque hit. Then, look for the torque fixing ring. If you cannot find it or see the torque fixing ring, you can unscrew the protection cap and you should be able to see the ring. Depending on the torque hit the first time, turn clockwise to increase the torque or counterclockwise to decrease the torque. Keep turning the torque fixing ring and running down the tool on the calibration unit until you hit your desired torque target. Once you have achieved your torque target, run the tool at least 10 times to ensure that the inline screwdriver is hitting the correct torque. Screw the cap back in the tool to protect the torque fixing ring from moving, and now your tool is ready for production. Have additional questions? Do not hesitate to reach out to us at 800-808-7168, or you can email us at sales@intmfg.com.